In this module, I cover the use of color. Because of the importance of color in information design, it follows that an understanding of the basic principles of color use is essential in bringing best practices to bear on the production of one's own graphics, schematics, and word slides. Color is used to distinguish data groups, represent data values, and highlight or accent. There are two operational color concepts that are important. First, color attributes, and second, color combinations. The three attributes of color include hue, such as red, green, blue, and yellow, saturation, which is intensity, and value, which is lightness or darkness. Hue is used to separate qualitative categories, such as apples, oranges, and pears, using these bright colors. Saturation and value are used in the context of sequences or gradients, such as ocean depths, distributions of incomes, or population densities. I will now show the application of these color concepts. There's qualitative application, sequential, diverging, and accent. Within each of these categories, you see palettes of complementary colors. The first group is used to distinguish groups of data. Criteria include colors are clearly distinct, colors are equivalent, and no color stands out. This shows an example graphic. You can see is color-coded such that each region of the U.S. is coded with colors that are distinct but complementary. The next set of colors represent data values applied to sequential data. These criteria are that values are smaller or larger, how far distant values are from each other. They can be either single or multiple use. An example application of sequential data color is applied to the annual income in Texas. The third set represents data values on diverging scales. The criteria are as follows. That shows data deviating in two directions. Sequential scales with light at the middle and dark at each of the two endpoints. The last set concerns highlight or accent. The criteria include subtle colors and complementary contrasting colors. The selected data with key information to tell the story. These are accented colors with subdued set plus a matching set of stronger or darker colors. One of the best websites on the World Wide Web is Color Brewer 2.0, based at Penn State University, and is used to help select appropriate data coloring schemes. Although it's primarily focused on the use of color in maps, the website generates color combinations that will work in a wide variety of different graphical, schematic, and text contexts. A useful concept when considering color in information design is what is referred to as semantically resonant colors. Those colors that are evocative of a given concept. For example, yellow for bananas, red for anger, and green for U.S. money. I will end with color combinations to avoid. These include yellow on a green background, light colors on a light background, rainbow colors, coarsely textured backgrounds, red text on black background, and multicolored boxes. These color combinations to avoid apply not just to presentation of text, as shown here, but also in the context of graphics and other types of schematics as well. This ends this module on color.